Hi everyone, it's Carabella. Welcome back to another workout. Today we're going to be hitting a medicine ball workout. So go ahead and grab your gear. I've got 5 exercises picked out for us. Just a quick update / reminder. I know I haven't actually verbally been saying it, but it is in the description down below. The February workout program / calendar / schedule is available for download. So go ahead and click the link down below in the description to get it. Before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. Let's get into the workout. Starting off with balance press, go ahead and sit down, bring your legs off the ground, keep your knees nice and bent, and we're going to balance our bodies, tighten your core, make sure your back is nice and straight, and press the ball up. Bring it back down and repeat. We're gonna do 3 sets of 20. Let's get it. Go ahead and take a 10-second rest. Moving into set 2, if you have to go a little bit slower, go ahead and take your time. You really want to focus on your balance, so make sure your core is tight. Take a 10-second break. All right, guys, this is our last set, last 20. Let's get it. Great job. Go ahead and take a 15-second break. Next up, we have plank ball rotation. So coming over into the plank position, bring the ball underneath your chest, and you are going to push the ball from side to side. Try to keep your back as flat as possible and don't poke your butt out. You want to tuck it in. Try to stay as much in the plank position as possible. I'm using a 10-pound weight ball, so pulling it over is supposed to be a little bit challenging, okay? We've got 3 sets of 20. Let's get it. Go ahead and take a 10-second break. Moving into set 2, make sure you're not rocking your body too much. The whole point here is just to move the ball from side to side. I know you're gonna have to sway a little bit because you're putting your balance from one arm to the next, but try to stay as still as possible. Take a 10-second rest. Moving into set 3, this is our last set. Let's get it. go ahead and take a 15-second break. Next up, we have Russian twists. So just like the first exercise, sit down on your bum, bring your legs up, keep your back nice and flat, tighten your core, take the medicine ball into both of your hands and twist from side to side. We've got 3 sets of 20, let's get it. Go ahead and take a 10-second rest. Moving into set 2, make sure you're breathing, you guys. Don't hold your breath in. You want to exhale when you put the ball down, inhale when you bring the ball up. Take a 10-second break. Getting into our last set, this is our last 20, let's get it. Great job. Take a 15-second break. Next up, we have weighted bicycles. For this exercise, bring the ball above you, lay down on your back, hold the ball up, and do a bicycle. You know how the leg rotations go for the bicycle. One leg out, one leg in, one leg out, one leg in. We've got 3 sets of 20. Let's get it. Take a 10-second break. Moving into set 2, make sure you're holding that ball up. I'm using a 10. Use something that's going to challenge you. Take a 10-second break. All right, this is our last set, you guys. Last 20, let's get it. Great job. Give yourself a 15-second rest. Moving into our last exercise. For this exercise, we're doing sitting side tosses. So sit up, make sure you're keeping your back nice and straight. Pick the ball up above you and slam it down from one side, pick it up, push it over, and slam it to the other side. This exercise is such a killer. You are going to feel the burn. We've got 3 sets of 20. Let's get it. Go ahead and take a 10-second break. Moving into set 2, make sure when you're sitting down, your knees are slightly bent and you're keeping that back nice and straight. Take your last 10-second break. All right, guys, this is our last set, last 20, push through it. I know it burns. And that's the workout. Great job today. If you haven't tried these exercises yet, give them a shot and let me know what you think in the comments down below. As always, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.